Oh my god, get ready for excitement.
I am. Give me a sec. I just have to do a little finishing touch with the setup of our cabinet. Take 1 of our green screen. Hello everyone, I am Daisy and today we are testing the green screen behind me. For you it probably won't be a green screen anymore, but a beautiful video clip or a picture moving, whatever. But yeah, I'm here supposed to talk and I will try to move a little bit because this is too stationary. See where my hands get cut off. Ready? Whee!
They are not there.
Oh.
Can you go one step back?
And I'm moving one step back. Let's see if I get a little shadow.
Nope. That is actually good.
So
that is actually good.
And so right now this is
a
little moving like.
And if we use a clip down there, we don't have folds on both sides.
Yep. Let's see how it works with something light.
Kunda Kinde Light. Ngombo Ngabe. Now here I am doing something I've never done in my life before, which is cleaning. Not cleaning the room, but my nipples. I'm out and about. That's gonna be interesting because that thing has green on it, how that will look. So I put it away, now it's there, now it's gone. I know where you're staring at. This is not the purpose to look at man boobs. The test is about the green thing in the bag, because now it's green, now it's a picture. Now it's green again, because I am the magician.
So that is Master Rudy, and you know I am short, right? You guys know that, but this is the struggle. I am in a normal chair just so I can film him. When you're
Lord, Kumbaya.
move a little back, your head's cut off. There we go.
Kumbaya, my Lord, Kumbaya. So everybody who sees that, you just give Dive Monster Jr. something technical and she's able to clean it.
Well, this is basically the charging station with all the cables, and you have the outlet, if you can check, and you can just, wow, and it just switches on. That's all the batteries as well. And this is already my area. We have my camera bag, some nice small tripod, very sturdy. We have my very first, not mine, but the first camera I used to go around Negros Oriental. First was in Payasan and then Santa Catarina. This was the first camera I kept using to take pictures. And of course a little white box for, you know, taking pictures of food, items, tiny things, maybe even a mask, or to sell products. And then we have Mother's. Here in Mother's, we have her very first camera. It's not a, it's just like snapshot. It was like 2000, what is this, 15 some. And of course, the piece de resistance, we have an empty bag. You don't want your camera on top here, definitely not. I mean, that's just like thousands of dollars wasted.
That's what the pros are doing, you know, to show off.
No, that's
you put your camera, 17 lights and
if I have
a dome on it. You know, you basically put $100,000 on top of a small cabinet. I've seen that in about
in a very wiggly
so
cabinet.
many videos.
So that's just empty. But maybe for our, you know, like important videos, you know, discussing how camera works or something, we might display something there. But we assure you, it's not the newest camera we will display. And then of course, Mother's little for her camera, so that she has something for her life. And of course, a bunny butt plug.
I thought it's a lesbian threesome toy.
It's not a butt plug three-way. This is. I tried to wash it, but what's the point? But you can see there's a little smear of lipstick. That's mine. And then here we have two beautiful lights just so you can see every imperfection of my face and sweat. We've been preparing this room, like cleaning it for I think since like 3 p.m. and it's already what 6 now, so 3 hours. This is just
It took years to kick your brother out.
Yes, this was his room before, as you
But he moved to his girlfriend, so yes. And we took we carried his bags out.
And this is just a prop. We don't know when we will use it, but
You will see it
you
one
will
day.
see it one day, so stay tuned. So yeah, we might have a few more props, you know, designated for Dive Monster, you know, just like old stuff we don't use but can still be used for a funny scene. And yeah, in this side of the room we actually taped just a nice kind of like native blanket that's good for, you know,
Nothing?
we did
We actually used it for a food video.
food trip video for Doomagetta.com. And then that's basically this room. Oh, I forgot. We have different roles. So if you don't mind light, I need light. I need the light.
Yeah, you need some light, enlightening.
Yep. So right here we have different roles. We tried doing this color of green screen, but somebody broke it.
Push it.
But yeah, it is super thin. It was just an experiment, and they were pretty cheap, relic. So per meter, only like 20 pesos something. So it wasn't a big investment, but I'm sure we will have use for this someday. Probably not as a green screen, but a cave. I don't know.
No, but we can make something like a hole on the table,
True, and just
and just putting
Green
things
screen.
out.
That is true. And here's the sample of the pipe we use for putting on the window. So it's literally just a empty PVC pipe. And that's it for this. Oh, I need my light again. Okay. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna finish dusting my cabinet. And hopefully you subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. Big 2 thumbs up.
Boyo.